Hi, I am John Michael Serrano. I was born in Valenzuela City, but I was raised here in Bohol. When I was young, I had certain habit that I carried with me along or until I grew up, like being curious about everything. Almost anything that I saw that I didn't know, I interested in learning and knowing about it. So several years passed by. I learned a lot about myself, what my behaviors are, what my dreams in life, in my family, and in my future. So there was a tragedy happened during Typhoon Odette. So we didn't evacuate that time because we thought that the water wouldn't rise anymore. So after that typhoon, we saw our house being crashed or being destroyed. So I decided to quit studying and start working in Manila, even if it was just by me, just me. So after those experiences, I learned a lot about myself. I, I learned that I am brave, and I'm brave and independent, and and very kind to others. So even if there was a problem that I faced, I can't easily give up until my dreams will come true. That's all.